Hello everyone, this is my review of the Stodey 12-inch stainless steel shower squeegee, which has quickly become a bathroom essential. Right out of the package, the soft silicone blade felt premium and the stainless frame felt sturdy and rust resistant. There were no more water spots, just a clean swipe. The squeegee comes with dual storage options. You can hang it from the shower glass door with the included hook or press the adhesive hook onto tiles. Both are super convenient. Multi-surface use works beautifully on glass, mirrors, tiles, and windows, effective at removing lime scale, soap scum, and streaks. Overall, it's an easy, affordable upgrade that keeps glass surfaces sparkling. Strong build, smart storage, and fuss-free cleanups, what's not to love? I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.